Hello my wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. So for today's video, it's gonna be a little different. As you can see, wala yung mahiwagang libro ko because I'm gonna be featuring a different kind of oil. It's not gonna be Young Living this time, but it's Casa de Lorenzo's Almaciga. Almaciga essential oil. This is a resin that's endemic in the Philippines, meaning you can source this in the Philippines. We're very rich with this. And I'm very curious how this would go. It's my first time to hear about it. I don't see this in any of my aromatherapy books. So I'm very much excited how this will go. I've never sniffed this. I bought this a couple of days ago and kept it because I want to have the first-hand experience in front of the camera. Alright, so if you're interested to get to know more about this, then please keep watching. Okay, so as you can see, I have a lot of bottles in front of me because I got all my resin essential oils. So I got all my LMEs, I got all my frankincense in my collection, and I wanted to compare all of them with this. I wanted to decipher if Almaciga is closer to LME or is it closer to frankincense. Okay, I have 4 frankincenses here and I have 2 LMEs. Oh, but sadly they're the same. They're both Luzonicum. I don't have Ovatum right now. I must have finished it or gave it away. But I'm just very curious how this would go. So, according to Casa de Lorenzo, Almaciga is very close to your frankincense and LME. So the benefits are similar. It's really good for your respiratory support. It's really good for your skin, for spots, for blemishes, for imperfections. And that really piqued my interest because, you know, as someone who's been suffering from hormonal acne, this is really important for me. Like fading away all those dark spots after my period, after the pimple, is really important. So that's also the reason why I have a huge bottle of LME because I really use my LME. It's you know, as they say, it's a poor man's frankincense, but to give it, you know, its due credit, I honestly like LME more than frankincense as it is more invigorating. It has more of that spa vibe versus my frankincense. So this is Del Aroma's frankincense. Mas toned down. Although iba yung notes niya, you can compare na parang they're both temple-like. They're both great for meditation and stuff. But I just like the zing that LME provides. So if you're interested for me to compare them against each other in another video, please let me know through the comments below, okay? So I can create a separate video for that kasi parang ang dami na niya, no? It warrants its own video. Alright, so it's time for me to sniff this. I'm very much excited. I got this recently. Casa de Lorenzo was on sale when I got this. I'm not sure if it's still on sale, but I got it at 30% off. So this is only 300 plus for a 10 ml. Oh, that's good. I would say it's more close to cedarwood. Not really like LME. And not really frank when I smelled frank, but let me just compare it with YL's frank. Iba talaga. In my opinion, it's closer to cedarwood yung amoy niya. Cedarwood Atlas. Yeah, it reminds me of cedarwood. In lieu of that, I just want also to invite you guys to please join us this December on our EO Summit. It's called Intentional Aromatherapy, and 4 certified aromatherapists are going to be there. He's going to be giving all the talks about aromatherapy, and we'll be focusing on safety use and responsible use. So I know you guys, if you want to learn more about essential oils in a very credible manner, don't forget to join us. I will link below the registration form, and I will also flash it here. And there are a lot of surprises in store for everyone. Magpapaulan talaga kami ng oil. So don't forget to join us this December. There are 2 kinds of membership or entry. The lavender tier is really, really affordable. It's only $250. You can attend all the webinars with that. But if you go with the rose tier, that's $999. You get to win a lot of prizes. You get to bring home a lot more things. So it's very much sulit. Okay? Yeah. So, Balot and I were talking about this, and she said that this one is closer to Frank. Pero ako, when I smell it right now, it reminds me of cedarwood. It honestly reminds me of cedarwood Atlas, rather than parang resinous. But yeah, I agree with her. Kasi sabi niya, it's more on Frank over Elemi. I agree with her. Kasi Elemi has a very nice, invigorating, parang, oh, I love Elemi so much. I honestly love it more than Frank. And even if this was more expensive than Frank, I would still go for Elemi. It's really good. I just don't remember how Luzonicum and Ovatum would compare from each other, but right now I have Luzonicum, and Luzonicum is like the standard, especially in the perfume industry and stuff. Ovatum, I think, is unique here in the Philippines. I think Casa de Lorenzo was the only one who was able to produce Ovatum. I've never really seen it with other brands. Luzonicum yung mas nakita ko sa ibang brand. So these two guys are the same. It smells like temple. Temple-y siya. This one is from my student supplies kit. Marami pa siya. I've not used this a lot. This one is more fragrant, more light. This one is more temple, yung parang pang meditate talaga. This one, I don't know. I don't really diffuse frankincense. I like frankincense for my topical application. Perhaps with personal inhalers, but not really on my diffusers. I feel nasasayang yung frankincense sa diffuser. Mas gusto ko siya sa personal inhaler para talagang nasa ilong mo ka agad. So, I've never really diffused this. This one I really use topically. That's why I got it in a big bottle. But the frankincenses, I really like them as personal diffusers or passive diffusers. Not really for diffusion. I really don't know why. But yeah, I tend to use it that way. Sacred frankincense, I learned from my teacher that it's not that different with your regular frankincense. So you don't really have to spend much. I got this, I think, for $80 or $90. I guess 2 years back. And it's still buhay pa. And it still smells great. I got this out of curiosity because I wanted to compare the difference between Sacred Frank, Boswellia sacra, and Boswellia cartieri. So, wala siya masyadong difference. So, I asked my teacher, anong difference nila? There's none. It's the same plant. Perhaps it's just sourced in different regions. So, there you go. Money not well spent. This one is from my student supplies kit. It's also Boswellia cartieri. And it's the same with Zelaroma. Although Zelaroma, I feel, smells more like pang meditation, pang temple. I can categorize them as meditation oils. You know, when you go to a Chinese temple or Taoist temple, they kind of smells the same because of the incense. And it's also the same smell when you need to meditate. If you are attending guided meditation sessions, or if you are doing meditation, yeah, these are the oils that you can explore, that you can help ground yourself and, you know, just help yourself focus and just release all those anxieties away. Yun. So there you go. For me, Almaciga smells more like cedarwood. I will do it again. Oo, cedarwood talaga siya for me. It smells like cedarwood. I don't know. Cedarwood to me smells more clean. Although you can also use it for grounding and meditation, it smells to me more fresh and clean. And although cedarwood is also good for respiratory support, so I would assume that perhaps this will be also good for your respiratory support. Although I've never seen the GCMS papers of these oils, Casa de Lorenzo's oils. I think according to their research, it goes head to head or similar with your Elemi, and as they say, Elemi is close to Frank. But yeah, this is a very new oil. I've never really seen this with any other brand. So it's unique in the Philippines. It's very affordable. Even Casas LME is really affordable lately. So you can actually buy some and try it and compare it with your YL. Also, you can buy the resin itself. So I use the resin in a lot of our formulations for our skin and crafting and stuff because I really believe in the benefits of LME. As in, I'm really happy I live here in the Philippines because of LME. Alright, so there you go. I guess that's all for today. I hope I've shed a little light about Almaciga. If you've experienced it or if you've had the chance to buy this in their sale last week, I'm not sure if it's still on sale this week, please shoot down below your comments. How do you feel when you smell it? What do you think about it? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Have you tried diffusing it? I will try diffusing this later. Okay, I would understand that this is closer to Frank kasi wala siyang invigorating thing. It smells clean, pero it still smells like cedarwood Atlas to me. So I would probably look into comparing this with cedarwood in another video. But for now, if you've tried this, don't forget to shoot your comments down below. I'd love to hear what you think. Or don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'd love to hear. I enjoy seeing your comments and DMs through Instagram. If you have any other questions about essential oil, don't forget to reach. You can freely reach out. I answer as long as I'm online, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!